Hi,
Hello.
yeah, we are present at the Biogas Technology and Sustainable Agriculture Experimental Farm at Kolbindi, where the slurry is flowing from the Rikamchi 1 Baby Dragon. Today is the 18th of April 2021, and we are collecting our slurry. The Rikamchi Baby Dragon is a portable digester bag that was initiated by by Rikam Enterprise and their Chinese partners. And since then, 5 years today, they have been working with their Chinese partner and the Indian partners on how to improve on it. This is a common technology that has been working in the Asia continent for long, and we have actually imported this technology. And the packaging is done in Cameroon by Ricam Enterprise, while most of the other aspect of it or the other components are made by the Indians and the Chinese. So it's very productive and we love it. It has been here for more than a year, working, producing slurry, and we are glad. Thanks for watching. This has been your famous biogas practitioner and Hope reporting from the experimental farm. Goodbye, Judith, and see you next time at the experimental farm.